Good morning everyone. Today I am going to start operation on sets. The first operation is union of sets. Okay, इससे पहले हम कंप्लीट कर चुके हैं पावर सेट, यूनिवर्सल सेट. तो नाउ टुडे I will complete two sets, union of sets and one is intersection of sets. So what is the union of sets? क्या है union of set? जब मैं एक सेट A लेता हूं, these are the element 1, 2, 3, okay? और एक सेट B लेता हूं, I'm taking just another set 2, 4, 5, and now I want to club them together. इसका मतलब मैं दोनों को इकट्ठा करना चाहता हूं. ओके, कैसे करेंगे? ए यूनियन बी. यूनियन मीन्स क्लब करना, कंबाइन करना, एक साथ लिखना. ओके, ए इट्स अ यूनियन सिंबल, ए यूनियन बी. एंड नाउ वी राइट ए में हाउ मेनी एलिमेंट्स? एक 1 है, एक 2 है, एक 3. यू राइट ऑल, सब लिखेंगे 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. एंड नाउ यू कम टू बी सेट. बी में 2 है ऑलरेडी, वी हैव 2 इन ए. यहाँ 2 है, यहाँ भी 2 है, नो नीड टू राइट. यहाँ इधर 4 है बट यहाँ 4 नहीं. नाउ यू राइट 4 एंड नाउ यू राइट 5. ओके, तो नाउ व्हाट इज द रिजल्ट? इन सेट ए देर आर 3 एलिमेंट्स. ओके, सेट बी देर आर 2 एलिमेंट्स and when we combine them, we club them, you see there are 5 elements in A union B. That means one element is common in both the sets. So we write one time. तो यहाँ आप देखिए 6 elements हो रहे हैं, but finally we got 5 elements. The reason is one element is a common element. So this is known as union of sets. 2 or more than 2 sets clubbed together, okay, that is known as union of sets. एक क्वेश्चन और लेता हूं मैं. I take a set A 1, 2, 3, another set B 4, 6, 8, and then on 5 A union B. A union B, A and B क्लब करना है, कंबाइन करना है. I write a curly bracket. Now write first element of set A. I hope you can write 1, 2, 3, and now I come to B set. So this is 4, but 4 is not here, it's not common, we have to write. 6 is here, but 6 is not there, we have to write. 8 is here, 8 is not there, we have to write. So now you see here 3 elements in set A, 3 elements in set B, and combined elements 3 and 3, 6, and now you got here 6. But in previous problem we have 3 and 3, but ultimately the final union we got 5. So that means one was common in that one, but here no element is common. So now this is the A union B. Alright, understand? Another problem. I just take intersection set. Intersection of sets. This is the intersection of sets. Okay? So what is the intersection of set? In 2 sets we will find out the common elements. Both the sets contain common elements. That is intersection of 2 sets. Okay? For example, A 1, 2, 3, 4. Example B 3, 4, 6, 8. And now we write A intersection. Okay? The union upside down, that is intersection. Invert it. A intersection. This is the intersection formula. Symbol, not formula, sorry. Symbol intersection. This is known as intersection. Represent intersection. तो व्हाट इज इन बोथ द सेट्स यू फाइंड आउट कॉमन एलिमेंट्स. क्या करना है आपको? कॉमन एलिमेंट्स को नोट करना है. तो व्हाट इज कॉमन एलिमेंट? 1 is no 1, 2 is no 2, 3, yes 3 is there, you write here 3, 4 is there, 4 is there, you write 4, 5 no, 6 no. It means this is A intersection B. This is known as A intersection B. Is that clear? Understand? One more problem. I take C 4, 6, 8 and D set 5, 7, 10. Okay, and then we have to find C intersection D. Okay, so now what is? Find out common element. 4 is there, 4 is not there, no need. 6 is there, 6 is not there, no need. 8 is there, no, 8 is not, no need. So no element is common, so that is without element. A set without element, and we have studied earlier that set name is empty set. क्या नाम है उसका? Empty set. तो इसको हम क्या कहेंगे? A C intersection D equal to empty set. तो what is the meaning empty set? No common element in these two sets. Okay, or we can represent by this symbol phi. We have done earlier. Okay, so I hope you understood what is the union. Once again, union means you club all the elements, that is known as union. But remember one thing, common element you write once, and what is intersection? You find out only the common elements and write in a curly bracket in a set form, and that is the intersection. Okay, let us take one more problem. P 1, 2, 3, 4 and Q 3, 6, 8, 9, and we have to write P in union Q. What is P union Q? Means combine them. So what is combined? Very simple. You write 1, but no common element. You write 2, you write 2, you write 2. Okay. You write 3, okay, 3, but they are common. Cancel here. 4 and no 4, you write 4. 6, no common, 6. 8, no common, 8. 9, no common, 9. So this is what? P union Q. Okay? Understand? If I have to write intersection, P intersection Q, what is this? Now again I am taking 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 6, 8, 9, and now find out 1 common, no common, 2 common, no common, 3 common, 3 common, and remaining 4 common, no common, and nothing. Only what is common? क्या common है? 3 is common. Okay, so that is the P intersection and Q. And we have studied earlier what kind of set is this? What is the name of this set? You remember? Yes, a set having only one element, that is known as singleton set. What kind of set? It's a set. But what kind of set? Singleton set. Singleton set. अगर इसमें एलिमेंट नहीं होगा तो उसका क्या नाम है? एम्प्टी सेट. अगर वन एलिमेंट है तो इसका नाम है, स्पेशल नेम इज सिंगलेटन सेट. ओके, और मोर देन वन तो दैट इज वी राइट ओनली सेट्स. ओके, तो टुडे you do practice union of two sets and intersection of two sets, and you try. There are few problems. Okay, homework exercise 1.4 question number 1, all part. wait. Question number 4. All parts. Okay. Today you try this problem in homework, and whatever problem you will face, tomorrow we have a live lecture class. You come on the live lecture and interact with me and consult with me or queries with me. Okay? Understand? Thank you and have a nice day.